Do you want a security system for home and business? Here, I recommend you the WiFi. The Wi-Fi only costs $60. So $60, what do you get? You get a alarm panel, 2 remote controls, 1 wireless doorbell, and 1 wireless magnetic contact, and 1 passive infrared motion sensor. Of course, you also get a beautiful package box and the user menu. So what's special with this system? The Wi-Fi alarm system adopts GSM and Wi-Fi technologies. So this enables the system to send push notification and short message once an alarm occurs. Here is the back panel design. So you can insert a SIM card to use the GSM function. Turn it on. So it's quite good or something like that. Take a close look. Most importantly, users can use app to control the system anywhere, anytime. Also, you can receive the push notification and short message when the burglar happens. So I'm going to test it. So this is a smartphone and this is a Wi-Fi app. Okay, actually my home already installed one. This is my home security system. I trust it, I love it, I recommend it. And this is the system currently placed on the table. And I'm going to arm the alarm panel through the app. So it's quite impressive, right? Additionally, you can set up the system while the app and trigger the settings of the system. Alarm setting and phone number setting, etc. Here you can see zone setting, user setting. Okay. This system can support a schedule arm and disarm for each day, so it's quite very useful for people if you want this function. And now I'm going to test the magnetic contact. So I have armed this system. Now I suppose there is an intruder. Now open the door. So as you see, alarm is triggered, and you receive the push notification immediately. Okay. So you will also receive the short message if you insert the SIM card. Okay, the next I'm going to close the app to check if we still can receive the push notification or not. So now I'm gonna kill the app. So it never runs in background. So message disarm. I'm going to arm the alarm panel again. And no running. I'm going to trigger the sensor. Also, I don't need to trigger the sensor because when I'm on the alarm panel, I receive the push notification. So low dope that I will receive the notification when alarm is triggered. Anyway, let me try it again. So try it. Okay, so push notification, and next what we got is the so see short message. Yes, I have it for my home. So I think you must have it. It's cheap, affordable, and high quality. Additionally, Unifor can offer various security sensors to work with this system. So if you want a smoke detector, heat detector, or even flood detector, all of them can work with the Wi-Fi alarm system. Additionally, you may want a big and very loud siren. So we also offer you the solar panel powered wireless strobe siren. It's a great deterrent for burglary. Thank you.